Are you on the hunt for a high-quality, versatile, and durable cookware solution that makes every meal a success? Look no further than this Cuisinel 10-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet. This premium skillet promises to transform your cooking experience by providing even heat distribution, lasting durability, and an unmatched level of versatility for all cooking methods. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this skillet is designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Why choose the Cuisinel cast iron skillet? The Cuisinel skillet offers much more than just functionality. It's a versatile piece of cookware that you can use in a variety of cooking scenarios. From stovetop to grill, oven, or induction cooking, this skillet handles it all with ease. Its seasoned cast iron material ensures the best heat retention, making it the perfect option for everything from frying crispy chicken to searing steaks to baking cornbread. Key features of the Cuisinel 10-inch cast iron skillet. Precision heat distribution. The smooth finish of this skillet helps achieve evenly cooked dishes every time. Whether you're cooking on a stovetop, grill, or induction, the even heat helps you avoid hot spots, ensuring your meals are perfectly cooked. True cooking versatility. This skillet isn't just for frying, it's great for baking, grilling, broiling, and even sautéing meats, vegetables, and more. No need to have multiple pans when this one skillet does it all. Superior craftsmanship. Made with premium cast iron, the Cuisinel skillet is crafted for long-lasting use. With proper care, it will outlast other cookware, saving you money in the long run and ensuring that you're investing in a durable product. Included silicone hot handle holder and glass lid. The included silicone hot handle holder provides a secure grip and protects your hands from burns, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in heat and moisture, improving cooking results. Oven and grill safe. Whether you're baking at high temperatures in the oven or grilling your favorite recipes outdoors, this skillet is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and is perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Lifetime warranty. Cuisinel offers a lifetime warranty on this skillet, ensuring you can cook with peace of mind. If anything goes wrong, their customer support will have your back. What sets the Cuisinel cast iron skillet apart? The standout feature of this skillet is its lifetime warranty. Cuisinel guarantees the quality of its products, which makes this purchase completely risk-free. Furthermore, the silicone hot handle holder ensures that you can handle the skillet without worrying about burning your hands, while the tempered glass lid provides a convenient way to monitor your cooking. Whether you're a fan of classic skillet meals or you want a reliable pan for your outdoor grill, this versatile skillet checks all the boxes. Who will benefit from the Cuisinel 10-inch cast iron skillet? This cast iron skillet is perfect for anyone who values high-quality, durable cookware that can be used for a variety of cooking techniques. Whether you are a home cook looking for reliable cookware to create everything from weeknight dinners to special family meals, an outdoor grilling enthusiast who needs a rugged, all-weather pan to take along on camping trips, a professional chef seeking durable cookware that performs well under pressure, a baking lover who wants to bake bread, pizza, or cornbread to perfection. This skillet will quickly become your favorite tool in the kitchen. Pros and cons. Pros: versatile, can be used on stovetops, induction cooktops, grills, and in the oven. Durable construction. Premium cast iron construction ensures lasting reliability. Ergonomic design. Silicone hot handle holder makes it safer to use. Convenient lid. The tempered glass lid allows for easy monitoring. Lifetime warranty. Peace of mind with a lifetime guarantee. Cons: heavy. As with any cast iron cookware, the skillet can be quite heavy, but the durability and even heat distribution make it worth the effort. Requires seasoning maintenance. Like all cast iron cookware, it requires occasional seasoning to maintain its non-stick properties. Conclusion: if you're looking to upgrade your cookware, the Cuisinel 10-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet is a fantastic choice. With its even heat distribution, long-lasting build, and multifunctional capabilities, this skillet will serve you well for years to come. Plus, with the added bonus of a silicone handle cover and tempered glass lid, you can cook safely and with ease. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. This is your chance to bring home a cooking tool that's built to last, no matter what's on your menu. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.